Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous little hearts. You can make them in any yarn size that you'd like, but the lighter weight yarns will give you the smaller hearts, and chunky weight yarns will give you a larger heart. Just use the relevant hook size to go with the yarn that you're using. Now, if you love everything crochet, then this is definitely the right place for you to be. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, then you won't miss any future content that I have coming out. Everything that I'm using today will be in the description box down below, along with some other useful links that may be of interest to you. But if you don't have everything that you need to hand, then just pop it on your watch list and come back to it when you do. Now, this is a perfect project for using our scrap yarn and for ends of balls. This one is falling apart on me. And they don't take much yarn, so they make up really nicely from just a little that's left over. Now we start with a magic circle, magic ring, and I do have a tutorial on how to do this. I will link it up here on the screen for you, and it means you can look at it in a little more detail. Now when I've closed my magic ring, I have always done a single chain to secure it, and we will need a second chain so that we can begin our project. So we'll have 2 chains to start with. We're then going to use a double treble UK terms or treble US terms. So that's looping the hook twice with your roll, putting it in through the magic ring, bringing back another loop, so you've got 4 on your hook, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. We'll do another one, and 4 on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And we'll do one more to give us 3. So it's 3 UK double trebles or US trebles. So twice over your hook and through, pull it back, 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We're now going to put in a UK treble or US double, so yarn over in through the center, pull it back through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and we'll do 2 more of them to make 3 of them as well. And pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over to make the third one, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We will chain 1 and then make another UK double treble or US treble, hooking the wool around twice, put it through, hook another one, giving us 4, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then 1 chain. We're going to start making up the other side now, so we're working exactly the same up the other side as we have up this side. I'm going to put it just a little bit tighter. So we're going to make exactly the opposite on this side. So we'll start with the 3 trebles UK or double crochets US. So hand over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and the third one, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So we've done 3 of those, and it's now 3 double trebles or trebles US. Loop it around twice, in through, pull back a loop, 4 on the hook, roll over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And again, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and the last of our 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And to finish this off, we will do another 2 chain, 1, 2, and we will slip stitch it into our magic ring and pull through the one on your hook. Do a single chain. We will pull that a bit tighter when we finish this off. We're going to snip our yarn right here, pull that through, pull that tight, and also pull our magic ring tight, and that forms our lovely little heart. It takes no time to make. Now you can either finish this off at the back, or you can leave them longer for attaching on to any item that you'd like to. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're nice and small, and that's how you make your little heart. I do have some more appliques on my channel. I will link them in the description down below. So stars, flowers, and so on. I will link them down below for you should you like to have a look at them. These take no time to make at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me and keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.